In this video, I'm going to show you a well-known proven trading strategy that beginners are using to make around $100 per day on MEXC. This strategy is super simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly, and the best part is it works on any time frame, meaning this strategy will work whether you're doing scalping, day trading, or even swing trading. I'll break it down step by step and show you the exact indicators and settings I personally use. So make sure you watch until the end. All right, guys, step number one. Sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using MEXC. This is one of my main exchanges for derivatives trading, and they're offering some insane bonuses right now. If MEXC is not available in your country, you can use Bybit as an alternative. These two are some of the known changes in the crypto space. I'll link both down below, but for this video, we'll be using MEXC. To sign up to MEXC and claim up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you simply enter your details and create an account. Account creation on both platforms literally takes under 2 minutes. Step 2 is depositing funds. Let me show you how to deposit funds before we jump into the strategy. Once you're logged into MEXC, click Deposit in the top right corner, then click On-Chain Deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I recommend USDT and select the correct blockchain network. Make sure you choose the right network to avoid losing your funds. Confirm the details, then scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds from your wallet or another exchange. If you want to deposit used in fiat currency, click Buy Crypto at the top of the menu and select Quick Buy Sell. Choose your currency, enter the amount, select your payment method, and click Confirm. Once your funds are deposited, it's time to open a position. Step number 3 is opening your first position. Click Futures in the top menu, then select USDT-M Futures. This will take you to the trading interface. Choose the asset you want to trade in the upper left corner. For this example, I'll use BTC USDT. Select your order type, limit, or market. For beginners, I recommend starting with market orders for instant execution. Enter your trade details such as quantity and price. Next, choose your leverage type. You can use cross margin or isolated margin. Personally, I use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific position. You can use up to 500 times leverage on MEXC. But for beginners, I recommend starting with 10 times to 20 times leverage until you're comfortable. Confirm your order details, then click Open Long or Open Short to open your position. Once your order is filled, you can view it under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Now that you know how to use derivatives on MEXC, let's move on to the actual strategy that can make you $100 per day. With this strategy, we're going to use the MACD indicator on TradingView, and let's take a quick look at that. Head over to TradingView. I'll have the link in the description if you need it. Once you're on TradingView, search for the crypto pair you're trading. For this example, I'll use Bitcoin. Now, the key thing to keep in mind is that the MACD allows you to identify trends in the market. This means that you can see whether prices are going up or down and make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. With a little bit of practice, you can use the MACD to make some serious profits by trading crypto. And if you're following along with MEXC or Bybit using my link, you're already setting yourself up for success with those bonuses. Let me show you now how to use the MACD. All you need to do is go to Indicators at the top of TradingView and type in MACD. Simple as that. You'll see 2 lines, orange and blue, and across the bottom, a histogram. The histogram can flip negative or positive, and that's the easiest way to understand it. Whenever the orange line crosses above the blue line, it's a signal to enter a short position. When the blue line crosses over the orange line, it's a signal to go long. Let me show you a simple way to identify a short position on a Bitcoin chart. Just look for a MACD bearish cross, indicated by the orange line going above the blue line, and they flip to bearish on the histogram, along with red candlesticks. Once you spot these indicators, it's time to enter the trade. Check out this example trade where you could have made a good profit with this MACD strategy. Now I'm going to tell you about a potential long position. Check out this MACD chart. The blue line is directly above the orange line, and the histogram has turned green. That's a positive bullish sign, so it's a perfect time to make your trade. You need to set a stop loss or wait until you see a bearish cross on the MACD to exit. You can spot the bearish cross on the chart and just let it run until you make your profits. This is just one of the many excellent ways you can make profits by trading cryptos. And remember, if you haven't signed up to MEXC or Bybit using my link in the description, You're missing out on those rewards that can give your trading account a serious boost from the start. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now and press the notification bell if you like these videos. And if you want more details on how MEXC and Bybit works, check out the full walkthrough videos popping on screen right now. I'll see you guys in the next one.